Having the right garden tools available is important when it comes time to begin maintenance on your property. And here's a brand new cordless hedge trimmer and shear by Sacker. It was sent to me at no cost to get my honest opinion and see what it can do. I like the power of my old corded Craftsman hedge trimmer, but there are a couple of problems. If you've ever been like me, you've cut your cord because it comes around as you're cutting your shrubs. So that's one reason I'm not crazy about a corded one. And then the hook up here isn't all that good. I guess it's worn out or something like that. So after years of use, so the cord doesn't always stay in, and you actually have to hold it in a certain position, the cord, to keep the end of the plug into that socket there, so it doesn't fall out while you're using it. It's given me years of good use. You can lock it in the on position like that, so you don't have to continuously hold the button to keep it powered up. But overall, it's a pretty heavy machine. I mean, you're not killing yourself with it, but holding it out, cutting your shrubs with this, your arm will get tired after a little bit. So let's see the better way. So this is everything you get with the cordless trimmer. Nice hard shell case, two 20-volt, 1.5 amp hour batteries, the trimmer attachment, the grass clipping attachment, and the handle. It's a nice bit of kit. Plus you get the cord to charge the batteries. It typically retails for around $80 to $90, but they are having a Black Friday, Cyber Monday promotion, so you can get up to 40% off the trimmer. To see if the batteries are charged, just press the red button, and 3 green lights indicates you're good to go. Now, 1.5 amp hour batteries might seem a little underpowered, but you quickly find that that gives you all the power that you need to do the jobs around the property. And if one dies, you got the backup one. To attach the battery to the handle, it slides into place just like any power tool. And then to uncouple it, you just press the button and slide it right off. To mount each attachment, each comes with a gear that fits neatly into the head, and you just have to press it and snap it into place. And to undo it, you just press each of the buttons on the side and pull it apart, but it easily comes off and on. The hedge trimmer thoughtfully comes with a blade guard, which you should leave on while assembling and disassembling the unit. That way you don't get your fingers caught. To power the unit, you press the trigger lock button and the trigger, and that gets the blade moving. It's a 12-inch blade, and that gives you all the reach you need to trim your bushes. A handy feature is that the head also swivels in 15-degree increments. That way it gives you versatility depending on how you need to use the trimmer. I use the trimmer to cut the cypress in front of my house, and it did a great job of shaping the entire bush. I also used it to trim my box edges, and the angle head was useful in getting the right angles on that. I even tried it on my barberry bush, though the thicker branches did make it struggle a little bit more. The grass trimmer attachment mounts in the same way as the hedge trimmer. It just snaps into place, and to operate it, you just press the trigger lock and squeeze the trigger. I'll admit this brought back some bad childhood memories when I was the one that had to trim the grass edges with a manual shear. But this did a great job of trimming the grass along the edge of planting beds and around the edges of my front stairs. I even tried it on my holly bush, and it did a pretty good job despite it having very thick branches. To recharge the batteries, it's a simple case of just plugging the adapter into the top of the battery. There are no indicator lights letting you know that the battery is charging, but the plug itself actually goes from red to green when the battery is fully charged. So as I said, I like this cordless hedge trimmer. It's very light. Your arm does not get tired at all holding that up, even after 15, 20, 30 minutes of doing the trimming. Works great. It's nice. It's got that little grass clipper attachment that you can put onto it. As I said, that brings back bad memories for me. You can swivel the head into a different angle if you need it. Comes with 2 batteries. They're going to last, each one is going to last long enough to do whatever job you call on it, unless you got a real long formal garden that you've got to trim down. And of course, being cordless, I don't have to worry about cutting into the cord. So I think this is definitely a worthwhile machine. And I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out one yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.